Hi, I'm Skylar, and something I'm going to do is, don't mind the music, it's just music that I listen to while I'm doing crafts. It's kind of weird, but it's the only one I can find quick. Okay, and I have a little brat thing, and every week I'm going to write down something. And you guys have to answer the question, and I think the best answer, I'm going to do two questions, one on a Post-it pad, one on here, every week. And the first question is, where does Justin Bieber live? Well, I'm just saying, the Post-it note isn't really a question. It's something you have to do. And the best one will be able to, I'll tell you. Where does Justin Bieber live, okay? That's for more Bieber Fever fans, okay? Where does Justin Bieber live? So, that's that one. And this one is, give me a tour. What do you think? Your room, okay? And when you do that, best person with the best room wins. So make sure you guys do this because I don't get a lot of views. Bye.